Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 7 of our What's New in .NET 8 and C# 12 series. In today's video, we will explore inline arrays, one of the new features introduced in C# 12. If you want to learn .NET Core from scratch, you can check out our dedicated playlist. I will share the link in the description. First, let's see what Microsoft has to say about it. So, as per Microsoft, inline arrays are used by the runtime team and other library authors to improve performance in your apps. Inline arrays enable a developer to create an array of fixed size in a struct type. A struct with an inline buffer should provide performance characteristics similar to an unsafe fixed size buffer. You likely won't declare your own inline arrays, but you will use them transparently when they are exposed as system.span_t or system.read-only_span_t objects from runtime APIs. As Microsoft mentions, you might not directly create or use your own inline arrays. Microsoft may need this feature for their internal purpose, which is why they added it. Now let's go to Visual Studio. I have already created an application in .NET 8. First, let's take a quick look at how to use a normal array of integers. So where buffer is equal to new int of 10. Here we declare an array of fixed size. Let's say for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. Buffer I is equal to I. Now if I have to print this array, I have to type for each where I in buffer console.writeLine I. If I run this program, I will get a sequence from 0 to 9. Let's run the program. See, we get the desired output. Now let's see how to achieve the same result with an inline array. Let's quickly create an struct. Right click on the project in Solution Explorer. Add a new item. Select class and name it my inline array. So Microsoft used the variable name buffer in their official document, but this can conflict with system.buffer. Hence I am using the name my inline arrays. You can name it anything. Change the class to struct. Next, add a new private property. So private int underscore element 0. You can name it anything. This property is used internally by .NET compiler. Finally, decorate it with the inline array attribute. So within square brackets, write inline array and of type of size 10. This attribute is present under system.runtime.compiler services namespace. Now, in the program file, if I want to use this struct instead of an array of integers, I can replace array of integer with the struct name my inline array. Quickly replace it and run the program. And you can see we get the desired output. So to sum up, inline arrays are an advanced language feature. They are intended for high performance scenarios where an inline continuous block of elements is faster than other alternative data structure. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the content. If you have any questions related to this video, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.